An archery target is designed to help archers improve their accuracy and skill by providing a clear, structured surface for practicing shots. Available in various materials and sizes, these targets offer durability and precision. Whether for recreational practice or competitive training, an archery target is essential for honing shooting techniques. I included all the link in video description below. Let's get started. Number 6. Morrell Yellow Jacket Archery Bag Target is a highly durable and reliable target designed for both recreational archers and hunters looking to practice with precision and accuracy. Made from high-density, layered foam, this target offers excellent stopping power for both field tips and broadheads, ensuring safe and efficient arrow removal after every shot. The Yellow Jacket target features a compact, lightweight design that makes it easy to transport and set up, whether you're practicing in your backyard or at a range. Its bright yellow color and vivid graphics provide high visibility, allowing archers to quickly locate and evaluate their shots, even at long distances. The weather-resistant materials ensure it holds up well in various outdoor conditions, making it suitable for year-round use. The Morrell Yellow Jacket also boasts a self-healing foam construction, which helps to extend the life of the target, providing years of dependable use. For archers seeking a reliable, long-lasting, and easy-to-use target, the Morrell Yellow Jacket Archery Bag Target is an excellent choice. Number 5. Morrell Double Duty Field Point Archery Bag Target is a durable and versatile target designed to handle repeated use by archers of all skill levels. Made with high-density layered foam, this target offers excellent stopping power for field point arrows, ensuring efficient arrow removal and minimal wear over time. Its dual-sided design allows for extended use, with one side dedicated to general practice and the other optimized for enhanced durability. This makes the target ideal for both beginners and experienced archers, as it provides an affordable and reliable option for honing accuracy and precision. The bright, easy-to-see graphics on both sides make it simple to spot arrows, even from a distance, while its compact, lightweight construction ensures easy portability and setup. Built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, the Morrell Double Duty Field Point Target is weather-resistant, offering long-lasting performance year-round. With its self-healing foam technology, this target ensures that it stays in great condition after countless shots, making it a great choice for archery practice. Number 4. McKenzie Strutter Turkey Target is a high-quality, lifelike 3D target designed specifically for hunters and archers looking to improve their turkey hunting skills. Made with durable, self-healing foam, this target can withstand repeated shots from both broadheads and field tips, offering reliable performance for all types of archery practice. The Strutter Turkey Target features a highly detailed, realistic design that mimics a turkey in full strut, providing a true-to-life target for hunters. This lifelike appearance helps archers focus on shot placement, improving accuracy and enhancing hunting simulations. The bright, high-visibility coloring makes it easy to track arrows and locate the target from a distance. The target's durable construction ensures longevity, while its lightweight, portable design allows for easy transportation and setup in various outdoor environments. Built to handle all weather conditions, the McKenzie Strutter Turkey Target is ideal for archers who want to practice with a high-quality, realistic target that simulates turkey hunting scenarios. It's perfect for improving skills and preparing for turkey season. Number 3. GlenDel Buck 3D Archery Target is a premium, lifelike target designed to help hunters and archers practice their skills with a realistic and durable option. Featuring a full-body deer design, the target provides a true-to-life representation of a buck in a natural stance, making it perfect for honing shot placement, especially for big-game hunting scenarios. The target is constructed with durable, weather-resistant materials, allowing it to withstand harsh outdoor conditions and repeated use without significant wear. Its high-density foam core provides exceptional stopping power, ensuring that arrows are safely and easily removed after each shot. The GlenDel Buck's large body and vital zones are designed to simulate real hunting situations, allowing archers to train for precision accuracy. This target is also equipped with a removable insert, making it easy to replace the most worn areas, thus extending the life of the target. Whether for backyard practice or pre-season training, the GlenDel Buck 3D Archery Target is an excellent choice for improving accuracy and preparing for hunting season. Number 2. Swatlo Handmade Archery Targets for Backyard. Offer a unique and high-quality option for archers seeking durable, customizable targets for home practice. These targets are meticulously crafted by hand, ensuring each one is made with care and precision. The construction uses durable, weather-resistant materials that can withstand frequent use, providing excellent stopping power for both field tips and broadheads. The handmade design allows for a more personalized touch, with custom sizes and shapes available to suit individual practice needs. Swatlo targets feature vibrant, highly visible markings, which makes it easy to see your shot placement from a distance, enhancing the accuracy of your practice sessions. Their lightweight and portable design ensures that setting up and moving the target around your backyard is effortless. Whether you're practicing archery as a hobby, preparing for a hunting trip, or simply improving your shooting skills, Swatlo handmade archery targets offer a reliable, durable, and custom solution that fits your backyard archery needs. Number 1. Field Logic Hurricane Bag Archery Target is a durable and reliable option for archers looking for consistent performance in their practice sessions. Made with high-density, weather-resistant materials, this target is designed to withstand repeated use, making it suitable for both field tips and broadheads. The Hurricane Bag features a unique, layered construction that offers exceptional stopping power, allowing for easy arrow removal after each shot. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to transport and set up, whether you're practicing in your backyard or at a range. The target's vibrant, high-visibility graphics ensure easy shot identification from a distance, helping you stay focused on accuracy. The self-healing foam material reduces wear over time, extending the life of the target and making it a cost-effective choice for archers. Additionally, the Field Logic Hurricane Bag Archery Target is versatile, with the ability to handle various weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance year-round. It's a great choice for any archer looking for a durable, portable, and effective target.